If your AI twin keeps coming out looking off, you're not alone. Most people mess this part up when they're using Krea, and I was one of them. I create brand aligned AI twins that sell for you on autopilot. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through what went wrong with my first Krea AI twin training and what finally fixed it. So if you've been stuck trying to get your AI visuals to look like you, this might be the tweak you didn't know you needed. So in this video, I want to talk to you about how to fix your Krea issue just in case you have faced what I did. So I used Krea about a month ago, and these are the images that I got the first time I used it. I trained it with the same images that I trained with Foul. So if you're new to me, and this is your first time watching any of my videos, I teach women how to monetize online with AI and automation. And I have a course where I help them create their own AI twin. And I swear by the platform Foul. Okay. However, Korea has been the talk in the town. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to try it out. When I go to try it out, I use the same 5 images that I used with Foul. The first image generation that I got was this. Let me open it up a little bigger so you can see. All right, so see the face, see the blurriness, see the, just not anything that I would put out, right? So that's that. Let's look at another one. This is the next one. Again, the scene they got perfect. The prompt that I was trying to create, they got perfect. But me, the face is just, it wasn't right. So I'm like, okay, this is not working. So let's look at another one. Then I got this one. Same thing. And I couldn't figure it out because one of the differences between Krea and Foul is that when you are generating images, there's no way to really adjust anything. Whereas in Foul, you have your guidance scale, you have some of the features that you can adjust to, perfect your photo. Right. So this is what I got. Okay. So then I used it again. And this wasn't even me. But I realized where I made a mistake with this one. But this wasn't even me. Then I did it again. And I was like, okay, this looks like we're getting somewhere. We're getting a little closer. So let's open it up. Right. But then look at the face. And I mean the toes. And that's okay because Foul makes some, mistakes as well. But I just couldn't quite understand why I wasn't getting the face. I'm going to do another one. This one looked better, but still the face. You can see that it's off. You can see that it looks fake. This one looks good. This one I would have probably used, if my fingers weren't messed up. However, because I'm looking down, I think that one I would have gotten away with. And then this one, same thing. Look at the face, right? And so again, I'm just zoning in on the face. And then I said, you know what, this is not working. Well, anyway, here's the fix that I found out. Last night I decided to try it again, but this time I retrained my Krea with the photos that I created in Foul. So again, initially when I trained my twin in Krea, I used my 5 images for my professional photo shoot that I have done a couple of years ago. And I used those same photos in Foul and it was great. But when it came over here, it just didn't work. Yesterday now, I went and I retrained it again, and this time I used about 15 of the photos that I have gotten with Foul over the last few months, okay? And look at what I got. Oh, just beautiful. Oh, just beautiful. Look at the face. Look at the crispiness of the photo. I mean, just beautiful. Look at that, right? Just beautiful. Right? So the fix is if you are trying Krea and you notice that, listen, look at this. I can't get my photos. Try retraining it, but this time use your AI photos if you have any, right? If you don't, then, this may not apply, or you may need to use Val to train your twin, and then get some photos. But this is the fix. Let's look at these. Oh, beautiful. Oh, just beautiful, right? Look at that. Let's look at two more. Amazing. So there you have it. That's the fix, and it's a game changer. If you're trying to create a brand aligned twin that actually looks like you, stop using your original photos and start training with your best AI images instead. And this tip is specifically for the platform Krea. If you want more tips, prompts, AI visuals, make sure you join the AI Girl Gang. That's my free Facebook community. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you want the full system to create your AI twin, automate your content, and start selling digital products on autopilot, check out Twinfluence, my complete plug and play training in the description. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more AI and income strategy. It's time to activate your Twinfluence.